Today we are going to do 2 multiply and divide in scientific notation. And so we are going to do our first example here. We are going to look at A, and it says to multiply and then write in scientific notation. The first thing you're going to want to look at is those two decimals, the 6.2 and the 4.97. You're going to want to go ahead and multiply those. So 6.2 times 4.97, you get 30.814. So I have 30.814. So now you're going to look at your exponents, and you have 10 to the negative 2 power, and you have 10 to the 5th. So you're going to go ahead and write times 10 to the negative 2. When you're multiplying, you add, right? So we have negative 2 plus 5. So I have 30.814 times 10. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3 to the 3rd power. But we need to move that decimal point over, so we're going to have 3.0814 times 10 to the 4th power, because it was a big number, so we're going to make sure we keep it that way. Got to add that extra placeholder for that 1, so now it becomes 4. Let's look at 9.7 times 10 to the negative 2 and 1.6 times 10 to the negative 4th. Again, the first thing you want to do is multiply the decimals together. So a 9.7 times 1.6 is 15.52. So I have 15.52 times 10 to the negative 2 plus negative 4. So again, you got to add those exponents. So I'm going to get 15.52 times 10, and it's 4 plus 2 is negative 6. But again, I have to move that decimal point over, so it's 1.552 times 10, and so you have to add 1. So again, negative 6 plus 1, and let me do that in a different color. So that's what we're doing. We're adding by 1 here to move that over. So that makes it to the negative 5th power, because negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Just like right here, if I go back up, plus 1 would give me 3 plus 1 is 4. Just want to show you how I'm doing that. Let's look at example number 2. I'm going to move this up, and then I will move this out of the way. Sometimes it doesn't connect for some reason. Example number 2, it says, divide, write in scientific notation and standard form. So we have to do it both. So the first thing you want to do, it's in scientific notation. So we're going to go ahead and divide it. So we have 2/5. So 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. And I'm going to leave that as a decimal. So 0.4. And I have times 10 to the 4th minus 3. The reason I'm subtracting them is because we're dividing. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So I have 0.4 times 10, and 4 minus 3 was 1. But then we have to move that decimal over to make it 4.0 times 10. And since I moved it over to the right and it was a decimal, you're really subtracting in this case. So you're going to subtract 1. And again, I'm going to do that in a different color. Subtract 1, so you get to the 0 power. So anything to the 0 power is just 1, so my answer is just 4. So my scientific notation is 4.0 times 10 to the 0 power. And then my answer, let me put that decimal back, and then I have 4 as my standard form answer. Here we have example B. We have 2.9 times 10 to the 4th divided by 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4th. The first thing you want to do is divide 2.9 by 2.9. We would get 1 times our 10 to the 4th minus a negative 4. So we're subtracting because it's division, but we have two negative signs, so we know that that's going to become a big plus. So this is going to be 1 times 10 to the 8th power. So that's really 1.0 times 10 to the 8. That's scientific notation. But it wants it also written in standard form. So we have to take that 1.0, and it's an 8 and it's positive, so we're going to make a big number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to plug in those zeros. And what you will get is 100, or let's see, 100 million. So a very big number. Let's look at C. We have 4.8 divided by 3. So whenever you do 4.8 divided by 3 in a decimal, you get 1.6 times 10 to the 2nd minus a negative 12. So it's 1.6 times 10. This is going to become a plus sign. So that's 14. So our scientific notation is 1.6 times 10 to the 14th power. But we need to write that in standard form. So I'm going to have 1.6. And it's a positive 14. So we're going to make a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy cow. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we'll have 3, 3, 3, 3. There we go. So this would be our huge number.